One of the greatest advantages of using natural stone pavers in a hardscape project is their versatility in different installation methods. One system that Polycor stone products are increasingly being used with is an open graded base. Compared to densely graded bases, open graded bases create greater permeability and assist with water management, directing rainwater down into the subsoil and away from the installation. Here we will show how to install Polycor Indiana Limestone pavers over an open graded base. For this project, we will be building a patio against the foundation wall of a home with a crawl space, where a densely graded base isn't required in this instance. Plan ahead for the diverting of water from the start. Prior to excavation, call 811 to notify utility companies of the location of the excavation so all cables or wires are clearly marked. After determining the layout of the space and marking with string lines, begin excavating down to an 8 to 10 inch depth. It is recommended to have a base of at least 6 to 8 inches minimum thickness for a walkway or patio. Ensure that a 3/16 per foot slope is maintained during excavation away from the foundation for proper drainage. This slope will be used throughout the whole installation. Extend the excavation beyond the paver edge by the thickness of the base. Cover the bottom of the excavation with a geotextile membrane to keep the subsoil and stone layers separated. Begin spreading ASTM number 57 3/4 inch crushed angular stone in 4-inch lifts. Moisten and compact each lift. Verify proper slope is maintained during the process. Biaxial geogrid can be used for added support and structural stability of base material between layers. Next, spread a 1-inch layer of ASTM number 8 3/8 clean angular stone. Using 1-inch diameter pipes, set grade and screed. Remove pipes and fill all voids, eliminating any imperfections. Begin laying out pavers in the chosen pattern according to the design. In this project, we are using Indiana Limestone full color blend pavers laid in a herringbone pattern. Start with a 90-degree corner using the 3-4-5 method to create a perfect 90-degree angle. Here, we are pre-cutting 45-degree angles for the starter course using a wet saw and diamond blade. Work out of multiple pallets to blend the stones effectively in the installation. Here we use 1/4 inch spacers to maintain proper spacing. As you work towards the wall, mark all pieces that need to be cut to achieve the design. An overlay method is an effective way to mark multiple pieces at once without a lot of measuring. Cut pieces with a diamond saw and continue the installation. To complete the project, install a proper edge restraint according to product specification. Here, the Quickie hybrid aluminum edging system from Pave Tool was employed. Remove bedding layer from the edge of the paver. Place the aluminum edging on the side of the paver and using the Quickie bit on a SDS Max hammer drill, drive the Quickie hybrid stakes firmly into place. Fill the limestone paver joints with ASTM number 8 or number 9 aggregate. Small chip stone would be preferred. Sweep stone to fill the joints and clean off the surface of the pavers. Hybrid pavement can use a polymeric sand, following the manufacturer's recommended installation method. Polycor's wide assortment of natural stone paver sizes, colors, and styles will lend a refined, finished aesthetic to any project.